Hello, folks. Today we'll be doing something quite different. Okay, we'll be doing something related to Google Sheets and how you can use Google Sheets to send mails to specific people with specific content and also to send specific emails. Let me put that way. Okay, so basically, first, what you have to do is that you have to visit this site. I'll be sharing this link with you. Okay, what this site basically does is that they are Google developers who actually work on certain add-ons that you can actually use to enhance the work you do with Google Sheets. Okay, so basically you'll be creating a copy of what this sample Google Sheets mail merge spreadsheet. Okay, it's one sheet that you should it's very cool. It's very cool. When you watch this short video here, it also gives you an idea of what you'll be looking at. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so I'm taking you through, so just stay with me. Okay, so first step is that you have to actually key in this link in here. It will take you to this website. Then you got to create a copy of the Google image for spreadsheet. Okay, so just click on this, then it runs. It appears my internet is quite slow. Too bad. It appears it's taking forever. Okay, so it's asking that would you like to make a copy of Google Sheets mail merge? So let's make that copy. Okay, we're saying yes, you want to make a copy, so you click on make a copy. I wonder why it's taking forever because it wasn't so initially. Um, okay, so we have a file here. So the copy of Google Sheets mail merge. Okay. So this is sample data that we can use. We can change a number of things here. Only one thing that I want to advise you to touch will be the email sent. Okay, you can actually delete and add to these whole fields here, but kindly don't touch the email sent part of it. Okay, because that one is more like it gives you a feedback on the most you've sent so far and the time the most were sent. Okay, so um first name, you can even delete just one a column here. You can just say full name. Okay, full name, and please don't bring spaces before or after the whole text. Okay, so we can say that Priscilla Okran. Okay, we can say, let me just give her my email address. Okay, because at the end of the day I need to verify and tell that the mails really went through. Okay, so let's say Obrenpon Okran. Okay, Obrenpon Okran, and also give him my email address because I want to just verify to be sure that the mails we sent went through. Okay, so the description, you can say um I'm not so sure of what to say now. Okay, but we have to come back and look at our, um, our drafts. Okay, maybe that draft will give us an information. This whole draft you are seeing here, what it does, that it's going to pick the information from what this Google sheet that you've created. Okay, and use that information. Okay, mm-hmm. And use that information. So right now this information is here. um just local and. So the description, we can think of something. I want to inform you of your outstanding balance of, okay. So for the purchase of the computer game, okay. And for the purchase of the, then we can bring description here, okay. For those of us who are familiar with Google Image or the word image function, I think so we can just bring description here. It's also easy with that. So what we want to say is that here should be, say, a video game. There should be what, a deep freezer. This is just a dummy thing that I want to do. We can just take away this whole file here, but I can just delete, I mean, this column. We can just say this is the amount, okay. Amount. You can even change this whole currency format to Ghana cedi, okay. You can just come here, format number, okay. Ghana cedi is already here, but if suppose it's not there, you can just go to more formats, more currencies, then you can choose Ghana cedi from the list, okay. So it will be the J column, okay. And because it's already up there, let me just select this from here, okay. So let's apply. So instead of dollar, we are seeing Ghana cedi, okay. So right now what we are saying is that we want to send a mail, and this is a draft that I've prepared. Okay, this is a draft that I've prepared, and what we want to say is that we want to send a mail to these particular people with this specific content, okay. So the first mail, if the first mail goes through, it will be, dear Prislokan, I would like to inform you of your outstanding balance of, and the amount will come for the purchase of the, and that description, I mean the amount, the text and the description will also come, which pertains to Prislokan, okay. Kindly make payment by the end of this month, September, blah blah blah, to prevent penalties. Thanks and best regards, Ibrahim Lokan. So basically, when I come here, what I'm saying is that this draft here should be picking information so that we can send it specifically to what, Lokan, whose email address I'm assuming as eurocran@gmail.com, and this is also what Urban Programs is also what eurocran@gmail.com. And it's for the sake of the tutorial, okay, for the sake of the tutorial. So now let's come here. The next step we do is that we have to copy this subject line, okay. Subject line, this is basically the it's more like the conduit. I mean the primary key. That's what will help us to send these mails through to, from my mail to the specific recipients, okay. Okay, so we just come here, click on mail merge, send mails. It's running the script, okay. But say that the script attached to this document needs your permission to run, okay. So we can just continue. These things do happen when you are using Gmail, because they are trying to protect your your account. Some of these do happen, but don't worry, because this was developed by Google developers, okay. So you can just say continue only if you understand the risk and trust. So you just go to Gmail sheets and save. Though just click it and use it. It won't harm you in any way. I've been using this one for over a year now, and it works perfectly for me. And I've not had issues of scams or hackers or anything. So let's continue. So right now we've given access. Okay, so Google can use this whole script what for our good. Okay, so you just click again on mail merge, send mails. Okay, so it's running. Then you enter the subject line of the draft we created, okay. So reminder on outstanding balance, okay, that's the subject line you created. Then you click on okay. So when you click on okay, it runs the script again. Then what it does is that it will give you the time and the date to which these mails went through, okay. I must confess, my internet has been quite slow today. I don't know why, because by now this video should have come long ago, okay. because we are dealing with text and not attachments. Okay, so right now this mail has been sent, and it was sent on the 16th of September around 11:27 p.m. Okay, so now let's come here. Okay, so let's check our sent messages to be sure if these mails were truly sent. Okay, so reminder understanding. Okay, unfortunately something is missing. Something is missing, and that is the first name. That's the first name. I think I got something wrong. You see that the mail has been sent. This is my sent. This is my sent mail. Okay, it says dear. The name didn't come, but we look at that later. I want to inform you of your outstanding balance of 45 Ghana cedis. I think that information came for the purchase of the deep freezer. Okay, kindly make payment. So now let's look at this. In our draft, we said dear first name, but let's check here. Unfortunately, it's full name. Okay, that's why the name didn't come. So let's correct it and let's run the script again. But before you do that, kindly delete the time and date to which the mail was sent. Come back to the reminder. Okay, and instead of full name, sorry, instead of first name, just make it full name. Okay, so dear full name. Let's check if, and as you can see here, so let's just copy this one here and paste it in there. Let's to make our work more easier, because it's case sensitive in a way. Okay, it's case sensitive, so the same name or the same structure you give the headings, is the same way you have to what, put the name in with a quote, the curly bracket. Okay, so now let's run this script again. Let's copy our draft subject line, which is reminder on our standing balance. Okay, let me just copy this one. Let me just bring this one down here and come again and click on mail merge. Since we have already given Google the opportunity to actually take over, we won't be going through the process of approval again. Okay, so let me just paste this one and click OK. So the script is running once again. So meaning that it's sending the mails through EOCran to EOCran. Okay, because as it stands now, I'm using my account here to do that for the sake of our tutorial. Okay, of we understanding how the tutorial works. Okay, so now let's come back. Let's come to our inbox. Okay, so currently these mails have been sent again. So now let's click on any of them. You will see that now we are having what, dear OpenPOCran, I would like to inform you of your outstanding balance of blah 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 for the purchase of what, deep freezer. Kindly make payment. Okay, so we've gotten the information very right. Okay, and now we can also get the second. So this is the first one. It goes per the steps. Okay, the first one goes and the second one follows. So you can see that, dear Priscilla Okran, I want to inform you of your outstanding balance of 23 Ghana cedis. And as you can see that Priscilla Okran's balance amount was 23 Ghana cedis. There's another way that you can also format it. Maybe you want to give it a nice look. Anyway, you can just come here and bold this whole code here. Okay, and the description, you can bold it. Okay, so we just bolded the whole thing. Okay, so you can just come here again, delete this information, the email sent, and pick the subject line once again. They come here, click on mail match, email reminder on outstanding balance, and click OK. Okay, so the script is running once again, and once it's done, the time to which the mails were sent and the date will be shown here. Okay, so when you come here, you can just click on the inbox, you can refresh it once again, and these two mails have also gone again. So you can see that this time you are seeing that here the press Okran is being bold, is bold. Okay, yeah, or it's being bolded in a way. I want to inform you of your outstanding balance of 23 Ghana, which is also bold as well, for the purchase of the video game. You see that Priscilla purchased the video game, and that's the description. So the second one will be of Okran, which will be right here. Okay, dear Abrimpo Kran, I want to inform you of your outstanding balance of 45 Ghana cedis for the purchase of deep freezer. And make so this is a way that you can send mails or specific mails to specific individuals without doing it the manual way, where you have to send to each one manually in a way. But once this information is well loaded, you can easily send this information. Okay, so we can even add a line. We can for the sake of for the tutorial, so that we can understand fully well. We can also add another line again. You could see that. So we can change the prislogram to kinslogram. Okay. Let's just use the same email address for that, and we can say purchase of let's say TV. Okay, which is let's say 1,000 or 10,000 Ghana cedis. So we can also come here again. We just want to test something, that if it will work for us, if the third person will receive the mail. Okay, so reminder on outstanding balance, you just come here, click on mail match, send emails, paste this right here, and click OK. Okay, so the script is running as it always does. So once it's done, you receive the dates and the time to which these mails went through. Okay, so now let's come to my mail again. Click here. See, it's right here. Okay, so we added one kinslocan, which is right here. Okay, so dear kinslocan, I want to inform you of your outstanding balance of 10,000 Ghana cedis for the purchase of the TV. Okay, kindly make payment. Okay, so basically this is one easy way that you can send mails to a number of receivers. You don't have to go through the manual way, but an easy way to get this done. And you can change these rows or these columns, you can change these columns and add more columns to it depending on the mail you send them. And even for most schools, you can use this same format here to send outstanding balance to or to send bills to parents. I'll take you through that one too, but it's still the same structure. All that you have to do is just to make sure that you have referenced it with the right name, and the mail will go through successfully. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I pray that you can use this one to enhance the work that you do, so at least you can be productive in every field that you find yourself. Okay, thank you, and do subscribe to my channel on YouTube as well, so for more videos and for more updates. Okay, thank you, bye.